So I'm watching a video right now that is gonna teach me how to not cough as I sing.
Thumb here, just so you can feel to make sure these swallowing muscles under your jaw are not coming down. You don't want to feel them at all. The moment you feel them come down, stop, go back to the beginning and start again. So you're going to do this humming exercise. I'm thinking that I'm going down into these notes. I'm retraining my body instead of falling back and pushing up. So I'm doing exactly the opposite. I'm going to play a little bit of it so you can hear it. Stay closed. Think down this way. Think the sound stays thin. Now, as you're doing that, as you're going up, you're going to probably start to feel the muscles fighting you. Don't worry, just stop then, go back to it from the beginning, and then over time, you have to be patient with this. Over time, you'll start to notice that little by little, you'll get higher and higher. And so then, you're going to eliminate that coughing that goes on as well as the strain. So practice that for a while, and keep your questions coming, and I'll see you guys real soon. Now, if you would like to work with me personally to